What is 3.5% of 18 and 2/3? Okay, so tinatanong lang natin, 3.5% of 18 and 2/3, so imumultiply lang natin ito. Okay, so first, itong percent, i-convert natin ito. Ang ibig sabihin na itong percent ay divided by 100. So pwedeng isulat natin yan as 3.5 divided by 100. Okay? Dahil percent means divided by 100. Of, ibig sabihin ay multiplication. So we have 18 and 2/3. So ngayon, i-simplify na natin itong mga mixed number, i-change natin sa improper fraction. So multiply lang ito. We have 2 times 3, we have 6. And then add the numerator, 6 plus 1, we have 7 over 2. Okay? Divided by 100 times, convert natin ito sa improper fraction, 3 times 18, that is equal to 54. Then add the numerator, 54 plus 2, we have 56 over 3. Then, pag nag-divide tayo ng fraction, ang ginagawa natin ay kopyahin itong una, from division, gawin nating multiplication, tapos i-reciprocal natin itong 100. Lagyan natin ng denominator para hindi nakakalito. 100 over 1, baligtarin natin, magiging siyang 1 over 100, and then times 56 over 3. So ngayon, pwede tayong mag-cancellation para mas mapadali. 56 divided by 2, so hatiin natin sa dalawa yung 56, magiging siyang 28. Then, 100 at 28, pwedeng ma-lowest term, i-divide natin parehas sa 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7, 100 divided by 4 is 25. So, i-multiply na lang natin yung natira. Sa numerator, may 7, 1 at 7. So, multiply, we have 49. Sa denominator naman, 25 times 3 equals 75. So, the correct answer is letter D, 49 over 75. Follow for more.